And the opening bell is going to be ringing any moment right now. And as we'd mentioned, stocks are expected to kick off in the red after markets sank around the world. You also want to watch treasuries and commodities today. Let's get down to Suzanne O'Halloran at the New York Stock Exchange. Suzanne.
Thanks very much, Betty. You know, investors getting hit with a double whammy today. We have, of course, that weakness coming from the Chinese stock market filtering right through to the U.S. Plus, we have a number of disappointing outlooks from large U.S. corporations, really dampening investor sentiment for stocks today. We spoke to Bob Dahl of BlackRock a little bit earlier on Bloomberg. He told us, you know, this recovery probably won't be as robust as a lot of people are expecting. So again, the early trade for U.S. stocks does appear to be on the cautious side. We are seeing weakness across the board in a number of sectors. I want to focus on some of the companies giving disappointing outlooks. That includes Deere. This, of course, covers the basic materials sector as well as construction equipment. Again, their forecast not as robust as analysts liked. In the tech sector, Hewlett-Packard as well. Their forecast a little bit disappointing, raising concerns perhaps about spending on computer products, particularly personal computers. More on those two stocks a little bit later in the program. And as John mentioned, commodity producers as well is going to be a hot area to watch today. We've got weakness across the board in a number of related commodities such as oil and gold. That's going to pressure a lot of the material names, a lot of the mining stocks, as well as gold and silver companies. Deirdre, back to you.
Suzanne, thanks very much.